Hello students, once again I welcome you in the another video session of Business Studies Class 12. Today we are going to discuss about the examination pattern and allotment of marks of business studies. So when we talk about the theory subject, it has been divided into two parts, part A and part B. Just go through the details what I wrote on the board. Part A consists of 6 chapters and every chapter has its own marks. Some chapters are grouped and some chapters are not grouped. Okay? For example, Chapter 1, 2, 3, the nature and significance of management, principles of management, business environment. These 3 chapters carry 16 marks in total. Similarly, planning and organizing carries 14 marks. Staffing, directing and controlling carries 20 marks. Like this, when we talk about part B, financial management, financial market carries 15 marks. You will be getting questions of 15 marks from these chapters. Similarly, marketing management and consumer protection also carries 15 marks and you will be getting questions of 15 marks from these chapters. Till this stage, you will be getting the questions of 80 marks, means theoretical paper is of 80 marks and 20 marks, rest of the 20 marks you will be getting through practical. You have to appear in practical examination that has to be conducted by the board, and in that practical examination you will be getting 20 marks. In all, in this way, covers 100 marks. 80 marks theoretical and 20 marks practical. So when we talk about the questions, distribution of questions, you will be getting 1 mark question, that is MCQ based, 1 word answer, true or false, short answer, like this. Okay? And apart from MCQ based questions or objective based questions, some questions you are getting of 3 marks. And what you have to do with that 3 marks question, you have to write the answer within the word limit. Word limit is very much important. Okay? You are going to cover the answer within this word limit, 50 to 75 words. If you give your answer within this word limit, then only you will be getting good marks. Okay? Similarly, questions of 4 marks. You have to cover your answer within 150 words. Okay? 150 words. You have to give your answer not less than 150 words. Not less than 150 words. Okay? Then only you will be getting good marks. Similarly, the questions of 6 marks, what you have to do? You have to give answer in 200 words. You have to give answer in 200 words. It's a essay type question. Like this, whenever you give the answer, you have to concentrate on word limit. Whatever the word limit pattern according to the CBSE, accordingly you have to give the answer. Then only you will be getting good marks. So hope you will concentrate on this mark distribution pattern. Wish you all for your exam. Score good marks in exam.